Enthusiastic gorging, also known as emotional eating, is a significant driving cause of fizzled diets and weight gain. This may lead to unsettling sentiments of disappointment, sadness, and discouragement. Unfortunate eating habits frequently lead to negative physical impacts as well. What are some red flags or behaviors signaling enthusiastic gorging or emotional eating? 1. Food cravings appear out of nowhere. One foremost telling sign of emotional eating is the sudden and pressing appearance of food desires. Amid these urgent longings, you're less likely to make sound food choices. You are, however, more likely to choose pre-packaged, processed and fast foods instead. 2. Eating habits are driven by your emotions. Has a negative circumstance led you right into the desires of your favorite comfort food? When strong emotional turmoil arises, you may effortlessly depend on food to manage your intense emotional state. While indulging, snack and junk foods may feel soothing, but it only masks the real issue. For example, during childhood, many people are programmed to accept food as reward and compensation. 3. Eating while or because you are stressed. Another red flag that may warn of emotional eating is that you habitually or enjoyably eat while stressed. Any changes in life, expansive or minute, can trigger stress. Financial mishaps and downfalls are considered to be a huge driving cause. So, it is conceivable that money-related tension might lead to overeating comfort and convenient foods. Romantic, personal and business relationships are, too, all major sources of stress due to natural changes in these connections. Individuals tend to anticipate routine, so when relationship changes happen, one or both individuals can be tossed into a lonely state of vulnerability, which is sometimes compensated for with food. 4. Regularly eating past being full. One of the most urgent red flags for enthusiastic gorging is eating past being full. The body's natural feeling of completion is suppressed by the need to fill an emotional void. It can manifest itself in dreary eating on autopilot. Amid this period, you may devour calories so rapidly that you simply don't even taste the food. You'll, too, discover yourself mindlessly indulging in a second portion of your meal that you could have spared for another time, and buy extra snacks to merely be enticed to eat rashly. The ugly truth about this habit is that it's the essential component to several health issues, including unhealthy weight gain and obesity. Establishing healthy relationships of all kinds is critical for healthy well-being. However, the first relationship is with oneself. Love, honor and accept yourself, and command only the same or better from others. Get to the root of your problems to establish a healthy state of mind and being. Remember your obligation to yourself and take care of you.